Alright, big news, we made it home. Also, I got the DJI Spark. So we're gonna open it up, check it out, do a tiny review. So the biggest thing I'm wondering is, will I actually possibly be able to do like a commercial shoot maybe, or some kind of shoot with this that I could sell. So I'm gonna test it out, see what the quality is like, see how easy it is to use, and blah blah blah. So here we go. Whoa, that is so tiny. Alright, first of all, it's so small. This is crazy. Its range is definitely not as good as the
Mavic?
Yeah. Yeah, as long as you're in a location and you want to film there, it's super cool. I had to wait for the morning because it started raining, it got dark out, so I'm going to test out the drone again, the Spark. I'm going to test out the Spark again. Do some of the gestures. I'm going to see how well I can walk through some trees and stuff, how the sensors are. Then I'm also going to see what it's like using a remote control with it and a different phone, see if the range is any different. Let's go. Alright, so the Spark is amazing. I tried to pair my Mavic remote controller with the Spark. It doesn't work at all. I tried like a bunch of different ways, but yeah, you need to get the Spark remote control. So I don't have that, but probably gonna buy one because the range is a lot further and you can shoot in sports mode. You can find a bunch of videos online that show you how to do that, and it's a huge benefit to have the Spark remote. Otherwise, besides that, yeah, it's awesome. I mean, it only shoots in 1080p. It already has its own color profile on it. You can't, shoot in D-Log or whatever like the Mavic or the Phantom 4, but it's still, you can still get some really amazing shots, and it's so small. That's the best part about it. It's so small, super travel friendly. I'm gonna take that to as many countries as I can, especially countries that maybe don't allow bigger drones. The active track works so great, so anytime you're walking around somewhere or hiking, or maybe you're at a waterfall or whatever, all those would be awesome times to use the Spark. Also, just changed my shirt, but this drone would be so useful for weddings. I would totally use this drone for weddings. And then any travel vlogging, like if you're a vlogger and you need something to travel with, or just have a drone that's ready on the go, like you don't need super high quality stuff, totally useful for that. Maybe some videos you're shooting online. The only problem is like the color. It's got a set color on it, so coloring won't be that easy to do to match with something super creative you want to do. But if it's just like supposed to look kind of maybe documentary or whatever, or anyways, I hope that was helpful. I hope it was informative, and I think it's going to be super useful, and I'm happy I bought it.